Alright guys, how's it going? Now we're going to have a quick look at Click Me If You Can. I'm just going to go through some of these obstacles quite quickly because I might lose my license soon. So Click Me If You Can. If you select Screen and you try to select it, it jumps around the screen, okay? Oh, right, I got it. Now, here's the problem. This thing is not recognized, okay? So we need to figure out some way to steer it without having to click on the mouse. That'll cause it to jump around. So let's click on that and let's see what we're dealing with, okay? X path. Great. Just do a click on that. Close. Save. There's our module. Drag it up into the test case. Boom. Now, what happens if we do a click? We get a fail. Because this thing's going to jump around. You see? Kind of funny. I like it. I think it's cute. Now it's got my mouse and it's after timing it after 10 seconds, which is great. So we don't try to do a click, which is bad practice anyway. Let's do an X, which means we're going to do direct steering using technical attributes. Boom, Click Me If You Can. That's it, done. Alright, so let's get rid of that and then let's take halfway. Halfway was good, wasn't it? Halfway worked for everybody. Paste. In the process, click halfway across the screen. Here one, click on the button using direct steering. Okay, or whatever they call it in Tricentis land. Verify should be last, okay. And the number was that. So we need that into configuration parameter, so we know which one we want to run. Let's close that. Let's start at the top, see if this test case, which is in work, runs. Thanks guys.